In this demonstration, we will look at how to download and install our code as well as get our environment set up. First thing I'd like you to do is go to Edmodo. Log in as yourself, please. I don't store my passwords. Here we go to Introduction to Programming to take a look at this week's. The first thing I ask you to do is download the assignment for this week. Click on the link. And download. I want you to download anyway, because even if it's large, and I want you to file, save as. And I want you to put it in your downloads directory. You may just go ahead and make one for your class beginning programming downloads. Try to make yourself a folder so your stuff is always in the same spot, and save it. I'll pause the video here and wait for the download to complete. Alright, once it is open, once it's downloaded, open the folder, go to Open Folder, and I want you to right click and extract all. If you do not see this in your pop-up window, you do not have an extraction utility installed, and you should go to Edmodo and take a look at Zip7. This is free. Install this, of course, for your appropriate operating system. If you're not sure what your operating system is, then go ahead and look at your control panel, control, run, flag, hit the flag key and run, and control panel, and system and security. Here's your system, and here's your operating system, so make sure that you install the 64-bit version of Zip7 if you have a 64-bit operating system. Now then, once you've installed and you have an extraction utility available, go back to your beginning program, right click, extract all. Now I'd like you to browse to your documents directory, find your Visual Studio 2010 folder under projects, and say OK. Your path should look just like this. Now then, find your solution folder. This is the new file that's been installed, Solution Explorer. Click on that and open your solution file. Go ahead. I am a trustworthy source. Go ahead and say yes. Before you do anything else, I want you to go to Build Solution. Once that's done, I'd like you to go over to your app config file, find the setting, and make sure this points to your personal documents directory, whatever your username on your computer is. Also, make sure you see your Solution Explorer in the right and your property windows also. If you do not, go to Windows, Reset Window Layout, say yes, and then go over to View. Go ahead and show your toolbox. Go ahead and keep your toolbox pinned over here to the side. And also go over to View and make sure you see your Properties window. When it appears, you can grab the menu bar. And notice that you'll get this docking director. I want you to, if you put it here, it's going to go to the left. If you place it here, it's going to go to the right. Here, it'll be on top. And here, it'll be at the bottom. I want it at the bottom. Alright, now then, throughout the rest of this, if you make this app config change and have things set up, you should be able to follow along with the demonstration with ease. That concludes the setup portion of this video. Rejoin me once your environment looks the same.